Hello everyone! Feeding time, dinner time for the kitties outside. Kompleto sila. Wala yung visitor, yung white. Always in heat kasi yun. Ayan, ito yung 2 male. Ayan yung 3 female. They are all spayed. Creamy, di ka gutom? Sarap nga yung pagkain nila eh. May ano yan, chicken breast with broth. Yung broth niya is turkey broth. Bone broth actually. With turkey bone broth. Kasi kailangan nila yan. Parang vitamin 6 sa kanila yan. Yan, si Misay gutom. Gutom ka, Sai? Hmm? Gutom si Misay? Binabalik-balikan naman nila yan. But later on. Kasi pag binibilisan nilang kumain, nagsusuka after. So, yan, mga wise yung mga yan. Binibilisan, mamaya, babalikan nila yan. Alright, bye. Thanks for watching. See you on my next videos.